Good morning, students. Welcome back to another session of GK. Students, today we will start next lesson, terms used for diseases. Now let us start question answer session. Build up your medical knowledge by matching column A with column B. Anemia is a deficiency of red blood cells, which is option D. This most common type of anemia is caused by a shortage of iron in your body. Your bone marrow needs iron to make hemoglobin. Without adequate iron, your body cannot produce enough hemoglobin for red blood cells. Symptoms many include fatigue, skin pallor, shortness of breath, lightheadedness, dizziness, or a fast heartbeat. Next disease, arthritis. Arthritis is disease of the joints, which is option G. Arthritis is the swelling and tenderness of one or more of your joints. The main symptoms of arthritis are joint pain and stiffness, which typically worsen with age. The most common types of arthritis are osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Next disease, beriberi. It is caused by deficiency of vitamin B, which is option I. A disease in which the body does not have enough vitamin B1. Symptoms include loss of appetite, weakness, pains in the limbs, shortness of breath, and swollen feet or legs. Treatments include B1 supplements and eating more B1 rich foods such as whole grains, cereals, and beans. Next is diphtheria. It is a disease of throat, which is option A. Diphtheria is a serious bacterial infection that usually affects the mucous membranes of your nose and throat. Diphtheria signs and symptoms usually begin 2 or 5 days after a person becomes infected and may include a thick gravy membrane covering your throat and tonsils, a sore throat and hoarseness, swollen glands in your neck, difficulty breathing or rapid breathing, nasal discharge, fever and chills, malaise. Infected people who remain unaware of their illness are known as carriers of diphtheria because they can spread the infection without being sick themselves. Next disease, rabies. This is caused by dog bite, which is option F. A deadly virus spread to people from the saliva of infected animals. Symptoms include fever, headache, excess salivation, muscle spasms, paralysis, and mental confusion. Seek immediate medical attention after a bite or suspected bite. There is no specific treatment for rabies. Once symptoms appear, it's nearly always fatal. A vaccine can prevent infection. Next disease, mumps. It is a swelling in the salivary glands, which is option B. Mumps affects the parotid glands, salivary glands below and in front of the ears. The disease spreads through infected saliva. Some people experience no symptoms. When symptoms occur, they include swollen, painful salivary glands, fever, headache, fatigue, and appetite loss. Treatment focuses on the symptoms relief. Recovery takes about 2 weeks. The disease can be prevented by the MMR vaccine. Next disease, jaundice. disease affecting the liver, which is option E. Jaundice is often a sign of a problem with liver, gallbladder, or pancreas. Jaundice can occur when too much of an orange-yellow pigment builds up in the body. Our eyes become yellow during this period. Next, this is myopia. It is short-sightedness, which is option C. Nearsightedness is a common vision condition in which you can see objects near to you clearly, but objects farther away are blurry. It occurs when the shape of your eye causes light rays to bend incorrectly, focusing images in front of your retina instead of on your retina. Next, this is polio. It is a crippling of the limbs, which is option J. Polio is transmitted through contaminated food or water or contact with an infected persons. Many people who are infected with the polio virus don't become sick and have no symptoms. However, those who do become ill develop paralysis, which can sometimes be fatal. A virus that may cause paralysis and is easily preventable by the polio vaccine. Next, this is dysentery. It is an intestinal disorder, which is option H. Dysentery is most often caused by Shigella bacteria or an amoeba. Dysentery is often spread throughout contaminated food and water. A key symptom is bloody diarrhea. There may also be abdominal pain, cramps, fever, and malaise. Prompt medical care is required for bloody diarrhea. Treatment may include increased fluid intake, rehydration solutions, IV fluids, and antibiotics. Fun fact: epilepsy is a disease of the nerve system. Now students, we will meet our next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.